Hey everybody, sorry for the last video on this bike. I was exhausted and didn't realize how tired I was. Anyhow, it has a California title, it has a current registration, it is an 05, so last year the 5-speed. This bike's been torn apart, motor and training, very obvious because it's an FXD, and it's all blacked out and powder coated on the motor and training. It's 96 inch now with some cams. They're not radical cams, they're just mild cams, probably like a 585 or something. The gentleman's supposed to get me receipts, but we'll see. Anyhow, all the black you see, except for the frame, is all powder coat. So lower legs, the wheels are powder coat silver, crash bar, etc., etc. A lot of money to put in this bike. You put on top of already having the bike, and you had a shop build it for him. You put an easy 11,000 into it. So, brand new saddleman bags, Legend shocks, Legend front suspension. So, Vance and Hines pipes. Runs awesome. I've run about a tank of gas through it. I got it over here in the shade, so they look a little different when they're in the shade than when they're in the sun. So we're going to pull it out in the sun here. Now everything works. We're going to show you that in a minute. Just showing the bike off. It's got this Kiko front caliper on it. So I personally hate this gas line. It tends to leak. I would replace that. Whoever buys that. So the gas gauge does work. The ignition is here. 28,000 on the speedo. Blinkers wired. It's got the cool blinkies here. And those do work also as a brake light, which is awesome. There's the handbrake. Over here for the rear brake. That's the rear brake. The tires are fairly new. It's got about 700-800 miles in the whole build. So the gas gauge is working. Stay. Got silver powder coat on the mags. Stay there. BB. Hey, sit down. Sit down. You too, sit down. Stay there. That's Indigo. That's Phoebe. So we got working high and low beam, and then we have a trick little button for super high beam. And those things, those are really cool, I think. So we've got these nice little grips, little shortened levers here. Let's see, black powder coat on the kickstand. We got the primary, inner primary powder coat. So I think this is cool because part of my ancestry is Peruvian. Got the solenoid accessory starter button there. Powder coat rear brake. So I don't know why he didn't powder coat the shifter. He did everything else with that. So forward control pegs. The mounts are powder coated. Sit down. Now. Sit down. Stay there. So it is a carb. It's pretty hot today, so let's see if it'll start without a choke. said, I put about 100 miles on it. Good tank of gas. It does have a fob in the right saddlebag. Bring it out here in the sun. The dude is wanting to come out with Daddy and see what's up. Straighten this out here. I didn't detail it. I just watched it yesterday. That's all I did. Good detail. This bike would be amazing. Again, gas gauge is working. BB, sit down. Sit down. You can see the nice wrinkle black here on the front. That was on purpose, just like the wrinkle black on the motor, so it matches. Yep. We got a spider. Offered me $500 for these almost new bags. super fast. My manager's here today. They whine about that. But I assure you, this bike has plenty of get up and go. So we've got another 05 with the Blondie motor that's almost done, and a 2000 with the Blondie motor that's almost done. This is the best of the three by far. This one's $5,500. Come and get it. See you guys.